In this video, I'll show you how to appear offline on Roblox. Step 1. Open the Roblox app. Open the Roblox app on your iPhone and log into your account. Step 2. Go to settings. Tap the three dots or more icon in the bottom right corner. Now tap on settings. Step 3. Open privacy settings. Inside the settings, tap on privacy or content restrictions. This controls who can see and interact with you on Roblox. Step 4. Hide your active status. Turn off options like who can chat with me, who can invite me, who can message me. This limits visibility and makes you appear offline to others. Step 5. Set account to private. Change your settings so only friends or no one can see your activity. This reduces notifications and online indicators. Step 6. Join a private server. When playing games, join a private server. Friends won't see you active in public servers. Step 7. Optional. Turn off friend notification. On iPhone, go to settings, then notification, then tap on Roblox, then turn off notifications so no one knows when you are active. And that's how to appear offline on Roblox using an iPhone. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.